Some vehicles are designed to blend in, but the Brabus 700 Cullinan Series II was never meant to be discreet. It is a Rolls-Royce SUV reimagined as a towering statement of speed, power, and unapologetic confidence. Built on the foundation of the already luxurious Cullinan Series II, Brabus has transformed it into something far more aggressive, with every inch radiating performance and authority. The exterior wears the Brabus WideStar widebody kit, finished in Cascade Gray with exposed, high-gloss carbon fiber that connects artistry with engineering. The reshaped front fascia, integrated lip spoiler, carbon hood insert, and LED light accents ensure that no one mistakes this machine for anything other than a Brabus creation. Monoblock M forged wheels measure 24 inches and are wrapped in massive 295/30ZR, 24 tires at the front, and 355/25ZR24 at the rear, while a Brabus Sport Extra suspension lowers the stance by 25 millimeters, combining presence with poise. At the heart of it all is a reworked 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 producing 700 horsepower and 701 pound-feet of torque. That power moves the SUV from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5 seconds before it reaches its electronically limited top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. The stainless steel exhaust with active butterfly valves can keep things calm in coming home mode or unleash a thunderous 12-cylinder soundtrack that turns heads instantly. Inside, Brabus has created what it calls the Masterpiece interior. The cabin is finished in Verdant Shadow leather with contrast stitching, shell quilting across nearly every surface, and subtle touches like embossed logos, carbon fiber trim, and even a leather key cover. It is both extravagant and personal, a reminder that Brabus elevates luxury as much as it amplifies performance. Owning one of these machines is an experience reserved for the few. The listed price comes in at over €914,000, translating to about $1,067,000. Whether commissioned as a complete vehicle or as a conversion, this Cullinan answers the question of what happens when the most prestigious SUV decides to drop the quiet elegance and embrace a louder, bolder identity. The Brabus 700 Cullinan Series II is not for someone who wants to arrive quietly. It is for someone who wants to dominate every entrance, combining extreme craftsmanship with raw V12 performance. Luxury has many faces, but this SUV shows what it looks like when elegance chooses to roar. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.